Hey collectors, here is a look at version 2.0 of Yamcha by SH Figuarts, and I would like to thank Dragon's Chest for this. Link in the description below. Check them out. The back part of the box shows Yamcha in different action stances with a different expression attached for the head sculpt, and of course product information. This time around, the instructions are printed at the flap at the side of the box. And pulling out the plastic tray, we get Yamcha with different head sculpts and expression, plus multiple sets of hands and the figure itself. The figure stands below 6 inches tall, and like all SH Figuarts release for the Dragon Ball line, he is superposable. And also, I would like to remind everyone to heat up the joints. Don't force them to bend or twist so that you won't break them. And here is a look at the back part of the figure. The only part here that has a lot of design is the way the hair was sculpted. And again, I did not count the length of the hair when I gave you the measurement of the height of this figure, which is below 6 inches tall. Once you find the center of balance for this figure, you can pose him in some simple action stances without the need for any action figure support. But again, I don't suggest you leaving this figure without any stand or action figure support because it will definitely fall down on your display. I miss the long hair version of Yamcha, which I sold way back 2021, knowing that in the future they would release a version 2. This one without the scar reminds me of the older version of Gohan. With its price point, SH Figuarts should have included the transparent action figure stand and an option to put back that long hair version of Yamcha back. And for size comparison, here he is with Snake Eyes from the G.I. Joe classified line and Green Goblin from the No Way Home film from Marvel Legends, both figures by Hasbro. With Batman The Dark Knight model kit by ModoKing and Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story by Bandai Model Kit. With Duncan or Man-at-Arms from Masters of the Universe and Trapjaw, both figures from the Cartoon Collection by Mattel. And finally, with his other Dragon Ball Z groupmates, Gohan, Goku, Chaozu, Tenshinhan, Piccolo, Krillin. And with that, thank you all for watching and see you all again next video.